Nazrin Nan Madal necessitates obtaining permission from the reigning monarch and performing a distinctive ritual that involves a ceremonial kava drink. This practice not only emphasizes the significance of tradition but also demonstrates a profound respect for the local cultural beliefs. The dense mangrove forests surrounding Nazrin Nan Madal significantly obscure visibility, thereby creating an enigmatic atmosphere around the site. This natural concealment has contributed to the myriad legends and fears that are intricately associated with it. The ancient structures of Nazrin Nan Madal, constructed approximately 800 years ago, utilize monumental stone pillars that can weigh as much as 70 tons. Such remarkable engineering raises compelling inquiries regarding the construction techniques that were prevalent during that historical period. Local legends pertaining to the construction methods often suggest the involvement of magic. However, archaeological findings reveal that advanced engineering techniques were employed by ancient civilizations. These narratives have transformed and evolved over the centuries, intertwining fact and folklore. Utilizing LiDAR scanning technology allows for the identification of hidden structures by penetrating the dense vegetation, thus creating a comprehensive 3D model of the area. This innovative method provides invaluable insights into the historical urban planning that characterized Nazrin Nan Madal. Research conducted in the area has uncovered that the structures were constructed on man-made islands, fortified by sea walls, which exemplifies the sophisticated engineering techniques employed to mitigate coastal erosion. This reflects a remarkable level of ingenuity for the era. The quarry from which the basalt rock was sourced is located approximately 18 kilometers away from Nan Madal, cleverly hidden among trees and containing stone slabs that suggest the use of ancient fire in their preparation. This revelation significantly enhances our understanding of the resources that were accessible to the builders. Transporting these heavy stones to Nan Madal presented considerable challenges due to the mountainous terrain, which has led to theories positing that boats may have been utilized for transportation. This innovative solution underscores the remarkable ingenuity of the builders. Underwater scans have unveiled basalt pillars resting on the ocean floor, which may signify remnants from the transportation process. This finding offers a deeper insight into the construction techniques employed by the society that built Nan Madal. Research also indicates the existence of basalt rock and stone pillars on adjacent islands, implying extensive trade or transport networks among ancient civilizations. Such evidence highlights their exceptional engineering capabilities. Stone carvings discovered on Pump Island, which date back 2,000 years, exhibit a unique symbol that bears resemblances to similar symbols found in the distant region of New Caledonia. This connection suggests profound cultural ties that transcended geographical boundaries. The construction of expansive man-made islands, achieved without the advantage of modern technology, indicates a highly organized society governed by elite rulers. The eventual disappearance of this society remains shrouded in mystery, possibly linked to natural disasters.